When a catastrophic truck accident happens, usually the first thing that occurs is the truck driver calls the dispatcher, either on a cell phone or on a satellite communication system that's in the cab of the truck. The dispatcher then calls a company executive, even at home in the middle of the night, who then goes to a list and calls a trucking defense attorney and an investigator in the state where it happened. So by the time your loved one is transported to the hospital, the defense likely has an investigator on the scene working to preserve evidence they like and figure out what to do about evidence they don't like. Then you're contacted by a claims adjuster who acts very friendly and lulls you into inaction. By the time you figure out that that adjuster is not really your friend, a lot of evidence has been destroyed or lost. There are regulations requiring trucking companies to keep certain records for 6 months. There are other regulations that only require them to keep it a certain amount of time after they get rid of a truck. And a lot of electronic information, up until now, they've been able to get rid of almost instantly, though that's changing. Now, it's important to have an experienced trucking litigation attorney on your side soon after the crash to start working on preserving evidence. It's important to notify the company immediately to preserve a long list of documents and electronic records. Now, we also go to the scene of an accident. We track down the vehicles wherever they are to get lots of photographs. We work on tracking down photographs that were made at the scene by emergency personnel, not just police, but fire department personnel who might have a camera in their pocket, wrecker personnel, sometimes even agriculture department, or things you would never suspect. And where appropriate, we work with experts to do accident investigation and reconstruction to be able to explain what happened. That's not always necessary. Sometimes you have a good reconstruction by a specialized unit with the police, but often we do need to have a reconstruction. The priority is always to optimize a client's net recovery in every case. And we try to make an individual decision about what investigation is needed for the individual case every time.